Hey everybody!
Hello!
So tonight we're doing a home vlog. I'm going to make some broccoli and some lazy broccoli and cheddar chicken soup. Probably have a fire because it's cool enough for one tonight. It's not cold yet, but it's cool enough.
It's in the 60s now.
Yeah.
Cold enough for a fire, that's for sure. Especially for us.
Yeah.
But yeah, in a few days it's gonna get really cold.
Yes. But we are happy to be back in Tennessee, and thank you so much for all of you who've been hanging out with us and were patient with us during our Florida adventures. We really appreciate all of you. I hope you know that from the bottom of our hearts. We're so glad you've stayed with us, and we're excited for our first winter here in the Smoky Mountains.
And tonight we're gonna do a giveaway.
Yes. We have an old Smoky beach towel that we would like to do another giveaway for because you guys loved it so much last time. So we got an extra towel for you. So stay tuned. We'll tell you what to do to enter that. And let's get prepping some soup.
Alright, I'm gonna start that fire.
Let's do it. We are Kim and Erin, and this is Zach and Cody. We are best friends living and traveling full-time in our renovated RV, Lucy. We have been on the road since October 2020, so please subscribe to join in on all the fun.
RVTV, K&E RVTV, sing it with us.
RVTV.
The sun is setting here early now at 5:30 here in the Great Smoky Mountains.
The time change is always so crazy.
Yes.
Like, I feel like it's 12 o'clock at night when it's 7 o'clock at night.
Our park's been emptying out. Look at all these empty spots.
Yeah.
But the fall leaves are pretty much gone, and now we just have trees with no leaves.
Which is crazy because now we can kind of see into the mountains that we couldn't before because of all the trees. So you can get a shot of the cemetery right up here that we could never see before.
Yeah, there's a cemetery.
Yeah, I mean, we knew it was there, but we couldn't see it from, you know,
You could never see this before.
And now you're able to see it, and just like at night, we can see so many of the cabins and stuff lit up because there's not trees blocking everything because they're all naked.
Naked trees.
But it's still beautiful.
I got my fire going. Since it is actually getting a little chilly now that the sun's going down, it gets chilly really quick.
So for my broccoli and cheese soup I'm cooking just some chicken breasts in the air fryer that I'm gonna dice up to add to my soup. And I just marinated the chicken breast in some Italian dressing, my favorite Italian dressing from Aldi. Super cheap, super flavorful. I literally use it to marinate everything as my base flavor. It's just great. It's got good seasoning, keeps your meat nice and tender. So I'm cooking that in the air fryer, 350, 10 minutes, flip it, 10 more minutes, and then I'm gonna start my soup, which we're doing lazy broccoli and cheese like I said earlier. And this is what I'm using. You can get packages like this. This is the Aldi brand, but there's another brand, it's like Knob Creek or something, that has a lot of these bag soup mixes, but it's super easy. You can just add water, chicken broth, and then I'm gonna put in some frozen broccoli as well, plus the diced chicken and some extra cheese, and that's gonna be our dinner tonight.
Did you say extra cheese?
Of course, because cheese is life.
Never would have thought you were gonna put extra cheese.
This makes it super easy. You just boil your water, slowly whisk in your mix and let it simmer for a little bit, and then add in what you want, and it's super tasty. We tried it a few months back.
Yeah, and even the next day was even better.
Oh yeah.
Once it like sits, it's even better.
Like any soups and chilies, stews, all taste better, you know,
the next day.
Later.
But
after they all marinate, hang out together, make friends.
Perfect for a chilly night outside by the fire.
It's chillier than we thought it was gonna be. It says it's like 70 degrees, but it definitely feels cooler than that.
As soon as this sun's about to be gone, it's gonna be in the 50s real quick.
So we're just gonna hang out by the fire. We actually have a friend coming to hang out with us tonight, who one of our friends from South Florida that actually moves to Tennessee. So we're just gonna come over, we're gonna hang out tonight and just have a good time.
We're making everyone want to move here, Erin.
So it's a great place why we can't escape. But yeah, so we're just gonna have a good night. So thanks for hanging out with us, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit your like button, and if you have not subscribed, please do that.
Thank you.
Right now. We'd really appreciate it.
Here's the towel. We're keeping in the bag.
Yeah, we're gonna keep it back just to keep it nice and everything, but it's an old Smoky towel. It's not a full size beach towel. It's a little bit shorter than a normal size beach towel, just so you know, but we have a couple for ourselves and we've been using them, and it's also got a little
Old Smoky sticker.
And then we'll include a couple of our K&RV TV stickers as well.
K&ERV TV.
K&ERV TV. So what do you want them to do, Kim?
They have to be a subscriber. They have to like the video, and they have to comment. what your favorite moonshine flavor is.
Yeah,
if you have one.
Smoky moonshine flavor. And if you've never had Old Smoky moonshine flavor, just make sure to write giveaway or, you know, something.
Any comment will do.
So that we'll know that you're interested in the towel. Make sure you say something in your comment about giveaway so we know that you are interested. So we can put you in our random drawing to pick a winner.
We got a little bit of Christmas lights happening.
Yeah.
Beginning of November, we're getting in this spirit.
Hey, I mean, we're going to take advantage of it. We're here for the holidays. We're excited. And we're ready to get jolly, y'all.
And they create a little bit of light.
They do.
When it's dark out, so.
It's nice when Zach has to run out and pee real quick because there's low lighting. So I'm going to start my soup process right now. So I have my induction cooktop out, my Mr. Induction with my Dutch oven. So for this bag mix, it calls for 8 cups of water, but I'm actually going to do 2 cups of chicken broth and then 6 cups of water because I want to give it a little more flavor with the the chicken broth, since it's not necessarily homemade and I'm using chicken breast, so chicken breasts aren't going to flavor the soup a ton. So this is my little trick to make it taste a little more, homemade, half homemade, partially homemade. So that was my a whole container of 32-ounce chicken broth, which is the 2 cups, and then I have 6 cups of water here, and we're gonna bring that to a rolling boil, and then we are gonna whisk in our soup mix and kind of make sure that's incorporated, broken down well into the water. We're gonna let that cook a little bit, and then I'll be adding in some frozen broccoli and my chicken breast that I finished in the air fryer and start dicing it up a little bit. So yeah,
it's yummy.
I think it'll be good. So I got my water and chicken broth mixture to a rolling boil. So we're going to go ahead and whisk in my cheddar and broccoli soup mix. Oh, there's a little bit of a shadow there. Sorry about the lighting, but I went ahead and whisked in the mix. Got it pretty well incorporated. So I'm going to let it get back to a boil, and then I'm going to reduce it to a simmer. We're going to let it go about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to add in my frozen broccoli florets and our diced up chicken breasts. So we've let the soup reduce for about 10 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and add in about half a bag of 10 ounces of frozen broccoli right into the soup. I'm just going to let it finish up cooking in there from frozen state. I did leave it out for a little bit. It's been out of the freezer for about a half an hour. But just going ahead and stirring that in and do probably another 10 minutes. And then I'll check the doneness of the broccoli and then probably add in my chicken there.
Are these not the cutest babies in the whole wide world?
They're so stinking cute in their sweaters.
We've been hanging outside by the fire. Just brought them inside for a little break. But their sweaters are so cute. Okay, what's happening?
Okay, so I got my broccoli to the doneness that I like it. So now I'm going to go ahead and add in the chicken. This is going to be my second to my last step because it's pretty much already cooked because I, cooked it in the air fryer. So now I'm just going to kind of put it in there to, marinate with all that cheesy broccoli goodness.
In case you're wondering, it smells amazing.
I did do a taste test of the soup without the chicken already.
Uh-huh.
I'm not mad about it.
You're not mad about it?
I'm not mad about it. There we go. Got the chicken in there.
Cheesy chicken,
yes.
Broccoli and cheese soup.
And my last step will be adding a little fresh cheese, or bag cheese, to just kind of thicken it up and give it a little more flavor. And then I'm gonna cook some buttermilk biscuits, Pillsbury buttermilk biscuits. That sounded like a tongue twister. In the air fryer, and then we're gonna top our soup on top of the biscuits. So I think it's gonna be delicious.
I'm excited. The dogs know the sound of cheese.
Oh, they heard me opening this bag. Zach
ran over real quick. He's like, "Are you gonna put that? Are you gonna put some of that in my food, Mama?"
It's bad. We created monsters. All right, I'm gonna turn this down a little bit because I got a simmer going. I have had my chicken in there for probably like about 5 minutes, and we're gonna add now a cup. This is apparently an Aldi sponsored video because I'm using some Aldi cheese.
Sponsor us, Aldi.
Triple cheddar. So we're gonna do a cup of this now right into the soup because cheese is life. Then I stir, get it all nice and melty in there. It does really smell awesome in here. You know the thing that we never talk about, especially for me? My closet is in the front seat.
Yeah.
That's my closet.
Yeah.
So anytime I cook anything, no matter what we've washed our clothes in, especially mine. Kimmy has her clothes in her room with a closet door, so maybe you don't experience as much as I do. But so often I'll go to put on something and it smells like whatever I've made recently. So that's one of the downfalls of living in a tiny space.
What happens to me is my shower towels. They smell like food sometimes.
Yeah, oh yeah, that too. I've definitely noticed. I go in the shower and I just
they're
wash
like,
my hair and I'm wrapping it up in grilled cheese.
Those towels are in the bathroom, you know what I mean?
Yeah, with the door closed, so.
And they still.
Tiny spaces, all the smells, whether good or bad, just kind of go everywhere. So it's like, you know, I guess we'll be out somewhere. No one's ever told me I smell like spaghetti or, you know, eggs and bacon. I don't know. But there's definitely been times, especially when we left to head to on our Florida road trip, when I pulled my clothes out of my bag and stuff, I was like, oh god, this smells like bacon, or like this. Yeah, it smells like food. So maybe it's a good thing. I don't know.
I mean, we could smell worse, I guess.
True. I don't make stinky things. At least I hope not. All right. I don't know if you can see very well, but I have some buttermilk Grand's biscuits in the air fryer, and we're gonna pour our soup over them. So in the air fryer, it's a little different than you'd cook in your oven. I'm gonna cook them on 330 for 8 minutes, then flip them over and then finish them off for 6 minutes. That's just the per air fryer instructions, which is nice because it's actually on the label now.
We got some treats for the puppies.
If anybody knows what a bully stick is, leave it in the comments. That's all I'm gonna say, but it's the boys' favorite thing. They know I have it, they're ready. Cody can't even control himself. Here you go. Okay, here goes Zachary. Here you go. So if anybody knows what bully sticks are, leave it in the comments. Soup's on.
No soup for you.
So we're gonna start off with the buttermilk biscuit. And then we're gonna dollop our soup. Ladle our soup, I should
Do
say.
a dollop, do a dollop.
With Daisy. You could put some sour cream if you're into that. That would probably be tasty. But we're definitely gonna do some extra cheese. Cause cheese is mine.
This looks so yummy. Are we gonna go eat it by the fire?
Sure.
I've been tending this fire.
Comfort meal by the fire. I'm pretty excited about that.
Yummy.
Oh my gosh, you see that cheese? It's so hot.
Sorry, I'm trying to use some light. How is it?
It's delicious.
It's chilly. It's only like 61 degrees, but it feels cold out here. Fire's going strong.
Mm-hmm.
It is delicious.
But this soup is so good.
It was such a good idea with the biscuit.
Yeah, it makes it like chicken and dumplings.
Kind of, yeah.
But I mean, like, for something it doesn't take a lot all day. Not a lot of prep work involved. It's a good soup if you don't want to go the homemade route.
Mm-hmm.
This is an option, and it's still delicious, super comforting, and perfect for a cool night in the Smokies.
Thanks, Erin.
Cheers. We're enjoying this fire.
Mm-hmm.
Dinner was so good. It was delicious.
I can't wait for leftovers.
For real. Like, it's gonna
tomorrow.
For real. I'm so excited for it.
Can you even see me?
I'm gonna send my friend home with some lunch for work tomorrow with some leftover soup. She was like, I really want a soup for lunch tomorrow. Well, there you go. You know, dreams do come true.
Erin, you make dreams come true.
I do. I try my best. But you're doing a great job, fire tender.
It's my favorite thing.
Yeah, you're pretty good at it. She can make, you know, a fire last quite some time. On occasion, have been known to use Doritos, but
That's
you
just
didn't.
for fire starting.
You didn't need that tonight.
Nope.
You did a good job.
Because it's dry here in Tennessee.
Yeah, it is. We're actually under a advisory. We probably shouldn't have the fire going, but we're being very careful.
Oh.
But look at this moon. I know that the camera's not going to focus really well on it, but it is a full moon. It is so bright.
We're shining by the light of the moon.
It's crazy. It doesn't even look real. It's so pretty. Oh, I think it's focusing pretty nice right now. Looks like a beautiful, just little ball there of light up in the sky. It's crazy.
Okay, Erin. People know what the moon looks like.
I know, but it's just nuts. Cody, you're so cute in your sweater. Are you ready for Christmas? Are you ready for... You gonna give the camera a kiss? Oh my goodness. What are you doing? Zachary, are you ready for Christmas? It's very dark. You can barely see him. Zachary, you guys are super cute. Alright, this fire is almost over.
Bye, fire.
Still warm. Still gorgeous. We've had a wonderful evening. I'm excited for more cold to come. Are you excited or are you nervous?
For what? The snow?
The winter.
I'm ready for the snow.
Yeah.
Can't wait to open my door and there'll be snow on the ground.
I hope that happens. Fingers crossed.
Better happen.
We don't know. We're not Tennesseans quite
I
yet.
don't want our pipes to freeze or
Yeah.
poop tank to freeze.
Yeah, I think that would be worse.
That.
We don't need any poopsicles.
Somebody commented that. Wait till your poop tank freezes.
Oh God, please don't put that out there in the universe. We sure had a wonderful night.
Dinner was delicious. The fire was amazing.
Love eating dinner outside. Love a fire outside. We're so happy to be back in Tennessee. And don't forget about the giveaway. We have the old Smoky towel. Make sure that you subscribe, like this video, and comment giveaway somewhere in your comments. And we'll probably do that. Maybe our next home vlog. We'll announce a winner. We'll give you a few days so everybody can get their chances in. But dinner was great. Tonight was awesome. And thank you so much for hanging out with us.
Yes.
If you enjoyed this video, please hit your like button, hit your notification bell, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. And also, we've had a few of you ask us about a way to support our channel monetarily. So we did set up a buy me a coffee page, which is basically just an option for you to tip, you know, leave a cash amount, whatever you want. Basically, there's a couple tiers there. We're also thinking about maybe doing memberships moving forward, offering certain kind of benefits too. So if you're interested in something like that,
we also want to set up a P.O. box, so if anybody wants to send us any Christmas cards.
Yes, we do love Christmas cards.
Set that up.
We've had quite a few of you talk about that the last few months, knowing that we're going to be here for Christmas, so we're hopefully get that going soon. But we do appreciate all of the support in all the ways. Just the love that you send us is amazing. But thank you again, and we will see you in the next episode.
Bye, y'all.
Bye.